Murder accused reporting to Trelawney cops gunned down in his community. Spouse main suspect after hospital attendant found dead. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A murder accused who was reporting to the Trelawney police on condition of bail was gunned down in the parish on Sunday night. He has been identified as Romario Green of a Tilston, Trelawney address. The Trelawney police reported that about 12 a.m. they were summoned to the Tilston community by residents who heard a barrage of gunshots. Upon their arrival, the police found Green lying in a pool of blood. He was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. Green became the third murder victim in the parish since the start of this year. The St. Anne police are currently investigating the circumstances surrounding the death of Jamaica Haley, a 44-year-old hospital attendant. Her common-law spouse, Kevon Shirley, of Parrytown, Ontario, St. Anne, is the main suspect into the probe of her death, which the police have classified as undetermined. Shirley is now in hospital. Reports from the police are that Haley, who was last seen alive by her son on the evening of January 25th, was involved in an argument at her home, reportedly with Shirley. Her son discovered her lifeless body on Saturday morning and alerted the authorities. Upon their arrival, the police found her lying on her back on the floor, dressed in a nightgown and displaying noticeable black and blue marks on her neck and spots of blood on her clothing, a release from CCU stated on Tuesday. On January 29, the police conducted a search of Shirley in Higginsland, Alexandra, St. Anne. The police stated that upon their arrival, Shirley, who had reportedly ingested a corrosive substance, jumped in a concrete water tank. He was rescued with the assistance of residents and transported to the St. Anne's Bay Hospital, where he is currently admitted in serious but stable condition. The investigation is ongoing, and Haley's death is still classified as undetermined, pending further inquiries, the police stated. The police also urge anyone with information that could assist the investigation to come forward.